What's going on, micro scale garages? How you guys doing today? How was your holiday and everything like that? Let's try and do this as a quick vlog. This is like the third time I've tried to do it. Alright, about this ECX barrage. I've swapped the motor from around this way, I've turned it around, and now the truck's running all janky. Probably got to build some links because those drive shafts cannot be at that angle. It does not drive smooth at that angle. But I'm thinking about just whipping it back around and then doing some more cutting in the body. And then the servo burnt out, so I grabbed the servo out of the ECX, not my wife's Roost, but I think I grabbed one out of the Torment. And I threw a servo in there. So it's got a bigger servo in there, so that should help out with steering. But I am running a 1S LiPo battery, and it's not running that well. It's kind of like choking, so I might have to change the speed controller. I was just using a Nanotech battery. Same one I run in my RC10, or not the big RC10, but that little short course 28 truck, the FPV one. Now, on to the Barrage 1.9. I want to put this body on there, as you guys know. I tried to do some trimming on the body, so I'm going to have to do some like Bondo work. Do some more trimming with I don't know. I just took my hand and tried to crack it off, and that's what I get. Pretty good crack, but I broke the body. So I was trying to design like a interior piece in Tinkercad with some floorboards, and I want to print some seats. I want to have a dash. So I'll show you guys that in a minute, and I'll show you what's going on the printer. Alright, so this is part of it. This is version 2. It was version 1. It broke on me, and I printed it like this. And I didn't have none of the detail on it. I just wanted to see if it'd fit, and it was getting my measurements right. So let me know if that looks like a dash. That's the main importance that I'm worried about. Once this right here is done, this piece is done printing, I don't know if this for surely fits. And then I got like floorboard gaps in here. The floorboard's just kind of like, boop. I'll show you how everything looks. How I wanted it to look, but I think this is gonna have to be now mounted on the body because I think I got these floorboards too high, which I can just change that. Let me see, I'm going through everything with my, looking to the phone trying to do it. Something like that. These are just squares. This is like an air vent that I want to make. Give you guys a rough idea. I gotta make a steering wheel. Where'd my receipt go? So something like that, like a little interior of the truck. I don't know, it's really hard designing stuff in Tinkercad. I gotta learn how to use Fusion 360. I miss 1, 2, 3 design and SketchUp. I miss those. But alright, you guys, like, share, subscribe. This is just a quick vlog, real quick, micro scale garages. Oh, I want to give a shout out to Detroit RC Off-Road, and then we'll go back to Micro Scale Garage, our group. Yeah, that's my epic fail. I was like, oh, it can be an interior piece for the TRX4. There's the TRX4. That's just some of my designs that I made on Tinkercad. I made some door handles for TRX4. I haven't printed those yet. I made a new gas tank. But alright, you guys, like, share, subscribe. Peace and love. God bless over this loud printer. I hope you guys had an epic holiday. Let me know what you guys are crawling nowadays, and like, share, subscribe, and watch a lot of RC Sparks. I love his videos. Peace and love, you guys. Peace out.